People buy based on emotions and justify their purchases with logic. One of my favorite examples of a marketing campaign where they sold on emotion was Google's Parisian love campaign. I believe it was back in 2009. And basically what had happened was there was this guy in the team working on trying to get more people to use Google and make Google a more friendly experience and trying to improve upon the product. And eventually what they came up with was a Google campaign where it was just searches, meaning this guy told an entire love story just on searches. And it starts off with this guy searching travel plans to Paris and how to get a French girl to like you and how to say I love you, how to propose and all this. Like basically they told an entire story where it's only about a minute long, but after that minute, just watching people search for certain words, you get this rush of feeling, you know, like if you've ever been in a relationship or if you've ever fell in love, you'll be able to relate to that video. And what that video did very well was it got people who watched that video to feel like they were falling in love all over again. And the reason this video was so successful was because of that. It got people to feel. And when you get people to feel, they buy. Because people don't buy based on logic. They buy based on emotion and justify using logic. So when you're trying to come up with your next marketing campaign, see if you can come up with a video or a post or a text. Basically, you want to get your copy to get the viewer to feel something.